Hello, welcome to the channel. Today, we're diving into some of the most frequent grammar errors and how to fix them so you can write with confidence. One of the most common mistakes is mixing up your and your. Your shows possession, as in your book, but your is short for you are, as in you're amazing. A quick tip: if you can replace it with you are, use your. Simple, right? These three words sound the same but have different meanings. There points to a place, like, look over there. There shows possession, as in, their car is parked outside. And there is short for they are, as in, they're coming over later. All right, it's time for a quick quiz. Can you spot the mistakes in the following sentence? Pause the video if you need a moment, and let's see how well you do. Here's the correct version. They're going to the store and then they're going to meet your friends. Did you catch all the mistakes? Great job if you did. It's and its often trip people up. Its is possessive, like the cat chased its tail. Its is a contraction for it is, or it has, as in it's raining today. Here's a tip. If you can replace it with it is or it has, use its. Otherwise, stick with its. Affect is usually a verb, while effect is a noun. For example, the weather can affect your mood, while the new law had a significant effect on the community. Remember, affect is an action, and effect is the end result. Mixing up then and than is another common mistake. Then relates to time, like, we went to the store, then we came home. Than is used for comparisons, as in, I'm taller than my brother. A quick mnemonic: if you're comparing, use than. Let's recap. We've covered your versus your, there, and there. It's versus its. Affect versus effect, and then versus than. These small changes can make a big difference in your writing. Share this video with friends who might need a grammar refresher. And remember, write right every time. Subscribe for more grammar tips.